Presenting ECOVACS N8 2-in-1 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with Osmo Mopping in white. The patented D2F True Mapping technology can detect up to 33 feet, and the 2300 pascals powerful suction ensures complete cleaning. And smart carpet detection does not wet carpet while mopping. Experience hands-free robot control with Google Voice Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Choose 3 levels of water flow for customized cleaning. It comes in a size of 42 by 49 by 16 centimeters and weighs 6.6 kilograms. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.